Alright everybody, we have to slow up to 180 knots or less.
Just start reducing your speed 180 knots or less and then cleared 7,000.
Well, now this is what I would consider to be a sort of dangerous situation because if we have to overshoot, we're going to have to pass that traffic. And we're 207 knots right now.
Sierra Echo Alpha, roger for sequencing. Just start reducing your speed 180 knots or less and then cleared 7,000.
Roger, 180 or less and 7,000. Sierra Echo, thanks. Alright everybody, we have to slow up to 180 knots or less because we're flying into Springbank Airport, lots of little airplanes flying around, and we are cleared down to 7,000 feet. So I'm going to put that in here, 7,000. And you know what, I'm going to hand fly, because why not? The autopilot does such a good job, the GFC 600 autopilot by Garmin. It's too good. Autopilot off. Never hit the red button unless you want to have fun. That's what I like to say. And yeah, we're getting ready to land at Springbank Airport. We have to clear customs because we are flying from Spokane, Washington. And we're going to put 1182 in here because it's probably... There's two tower frequencies here at Springbank. This is the outer tower. Probably going to be talking to them since we're IFR. And it's a beautiful day. We're not going to fly the approach, but we are going to probably fly just the straight in. Alright, that's off. Our descent checklist. Frost, cabin fan, fuel selectors remains, pressurization controls were set, auto feathers armed, check. Ice protection, altimeter set. Before landing, approach brief, ice protection, flaps not required yet. Props are coming up.
Sierra Echo Alpha, I'm just going to widen you out slightly for spacing. Turn right heading 09 0.
Right turn 09 0, Sierra Echo Alpha. Alright. Right turn 09 0, everybody.
Charlie Golf X-ray Papa Delta, about 22 miles north end.
We're 175 knots right now.
Golf X-ray Papa Delta, Calgary Terminal, squawk cadent, descend 6,000 and follow the Lock-end route inbound, altimeter 2976, ATIS is Juliet.
Okay.
10,600, Lock-end road inbound.
Off.
For Springbank.
Okay, 1,000 feet to go. We're 7,000 feet. Altimeters 2976, set both sides. Terminal Sierra Echo Alpha, we're 175 knots now. That's okay.
Sierra Echo Alpha, sorry, say again.
Do you want us a bit slower? We can slow up.
Sierra Echo Alpha, no, I just need to widen you out slightly for spacing. You turn left now, heading 320, intercept final, descend 6,000.
Left turn 320, 6,000. We got the field in sight. We can cancel the IFR if that helps.
Sierra Echo Alpha, no problem. Check your canceling IFR. Proceed straight in, runway 35.
Proceed straight in, runway 35, Sierra Echo Alpha. Okay, we're cleared straight in, runway 35.
Sure, Papa Delta, I'll just get you to squawk ident again. I didn't see it.
This is fun. I love this. A little bit of deviation is never a bad thing. Unless you're low on fuel. You never ever want to be low on fuel. Okay, we're going to go down to 6,000 feet here. And we are cleared for the straight in, so I'm going to actually adjust our heading here.
Papa Delta, squawk ident.
320 puts us basically right on track here. Alright,
Papa Delta,
everything's looking
thanks,
good.
identified. Traffic just off your right-hand side now, passing 1,000 feet below, unverified, is a Cessna 172. And at your 12 o'clock and 3 miles opposite direction, another Cessna 172, 500 feet above.
X-ray Papa Delta, looking for traffic.
Sierra Echo Alpha, contact from Bank Tower now, 1182. Good day.
Roger, 1182, Sierra Echo Alpha, good day. Springbank Tower, Sierra Echo Alpha is with you, VFR, runway 35.
Roger, Sierra Echo Alpha, Springbank Tower, you are identified, runway 35, the active, altimeter 2976, continue straight in, descend 5,500.
Continue straight in, 5,500, Sierra Echo Alpha. Okay, 5,500. Let's put that in the box. And, okay, anti-collision lights are on, taxi lights I'm going to throw on here, we're going to get the gear down momentarily here. And I think we are just, they gave us spacing for this other traffic that's just landing. So I think we'll keep the speed up a little bit. Nice thing about flying a turboprop, you can fly the approach a lot faster than even a lot of the jets because you can slow up so quickly before the runway. I find when I'm flying into busy airspace in a turboprop like this, they're actually telling you to slow up for landing jet traffic because you will catch up to them on final, because we can go a lot faster and then slow up, whereas a jet has to be slow quite a ways back and on their stabilized approach.
Alpha, contact inner tower now on 120.7.
120.7, Sierra Alpha, thanks. So there's second tower frequency. Alright, so right now we're at about 190 knots. We don't have any flaps, any gear out. So let's start slowing up here. Okay, power's back. Just gonna let that airplane slow up. Below 175 knots, we're 168. Here we get first stage of flaps. Coming down. Alright, speed's good. Landing gear's coming down. Belts, brakes, gear. 3 green, none in the mirror. Mixtures, props, and switches are all set. Nice high approach. And we're with you for Sierra Echo Alpha.
Sierra Echo Alpha, number 1.
And number 1 with the traffic ahead, Sierra Echo Alpha. And we can see there's traffic here on the runway right now. Just lifting off.
Alpha, climb runway heading out above 5,000, contact tower 118.2, airport, clear takeoff from runway 35.
Are we heading?
Okay, one more stage of flap. Let's go 30 degrees. Low 145 knots, so there's one more.
Back on the speed, traffic is rolling.
Roger that, we're coming back on speed. We see him here, circle. Okay, so there's an airplane here just on the takeoff roll, and now this is a critically, what I would consider to be a sort of dangerous situation, because if we have to overshoot, we're going to have to pass that traffic, which is slower. Okay, 105 knots, add a little bit of power here.
Sierra Echo Alpha, clear land runway 35.
Clear land runway 35, Sierra Echo Alpha. Okay. A little bit slow here. We're going to bring it nice and a little bit slow there. So. Okay. Gear, props, flaps, runway's clear. Oh, a little fast there. Nice and silky smooth. Does not get better than that. Lovely. Alright, confirm flaps. Coming up.
172, Golf Papa Echo Whiskey, ready for departure, runway 35.
Papa Echo Whiskey, line up runway 35.
Lining up 35, Papa Echo Whiskey.
Sierra Echo Alpha, right when it will contact ground 1200 display.
Roger, we'll take Alpha 1, Sierra Echo Alpha. So, everybody, I'm going to do a little debrief on that one there. And hey, I've been flying these airplanes for 12 years, and every flight there's an opportunity to improve something.
Clear takeoff, runway 35, Papa Echo Whiskey.
Busy airspace here. Okay. That's off. That's off. That can come off. That's off. Now we got a taxi to the customs building here.
Area is.
Calling ground trigger.
Sierra 305, holding short on Echo 4 Delta South.
Sierra Alpha, you're looking for Delta, convert.
We're looking for the customs apron.
Okay, taxi Alpha cross runway 26 to the tower apron.
Alpha cross 2X tower apron, Sierra Alpha. So on that approach there, we're high,
broken up, I hear
which
305.
I was expecting. But then as we came about a mile final, we started to get a little bit slow just from that slightly unstable approach. And once we got clear to the left, clear to the right, it's like added in that power, made a little bit of adjustment. Actually was a little fast coming over the numbers there. So stabilized approach would have fixed that. Very comfy with this airplane. Still good landing, but it's up to always be aware of and to be critical of all of your landings. Now we got to go to the customs area here. We're going to avoid this puddle here because no point.
Spring Bank,
getting the underside of the airplane dirty.
172 Golf Kilo Mike Hotel.
Then we're going to give customs a call over the telephone, get a clearance number, because there's no customs officers here right now. So we're going to get our clearance over the phone.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Little cheers to all the new viewers. And if you're curious on what it's like to become a pilot, what the process is, how to get your first aviation job, then I've got videos on my channel that you can check out to help get you started. Absolutely love and appreciate all the support, everybody. So we'll catch you on the next adventure. Happy and safe flying, everybody. Cheers.